today with the 2017 Traverse. Chevy Traverse is more stylish than minivans and far more fuel and space efficient than truck-based SUVs. Crossovers like the Traverse are excellent family vehicles and is priced below $25,000. This vehicle has less than 70,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: tire pressure monitor, rear spoiler, traction control, stability control, daytime running lights, FWD, steel wheels, driver illuminated vanity mirror, tires front all season, privacy glass. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood. So call or drop in for a test drive today.